Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to explain you Armstrong number in C++. So let's get started without wasting any more time. First of all, you need to know what is Armstrong number. Armstrong number. Okay, let's give an example. Let's say 153. We'll take each and every individual digit of this number. So let's take it 1, 5 and 3. We'll cube each and every individual. Let's cube it and we'll add up the sum, add up the result. We'll get 153 again. So this is why 153 is called Armstrong number, because we'll get the result again whenever we cube each and individual digit and sum it up. We'll get the number back again. So this is what is Armstrong number. We'll apply this using C++. Okay, this is 3 cube. I will apply it using C++, and in the next video tutorial I'll show you the live coding of Armstrong number in C++. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, just frame it up. What you need to do, we have the number 153, for example. We need each and every individual of the individual digit of this number. Okay, first of all, what you need to do, we need the number from the user. So cn, we need the number. Okay, after we got the number, we'll store this number in a separate variable of or a temporary variable. Let's say temp, and we'll store this number inside this temporary variable, because we'll do some processing on this number and we might lose this number, okay, for the later time. So let's start a loop. We'll start a loop here while n is greater than 0, and we'll do some work here. And inside this loop we need three important steps for Armstrong number, which you need to keep in mind. Okay, so first of all, what we need each and individual number, each and individual digit of this number. And how will we get that? Using the reminder. If we do 153 mod 10, we'll get what? 3, the last digit. Okay, so let's do that. We'll take another variable d. Just don't forget to initialize. I'm just showing you the main section. N mod 10. That means n is now what? 153 mod 10 is, we are getting 3. Okay, next step, we'll take another variable called sum. Pre-initialize it to 0. Sum equal to 0. Don't forget to do that. We'll initialize sum to 0, and we'll update the sum inside this loop as sum equal to sum plus d into d into d. Okay, so what happens? First, a sum value is 0. 0 plus d is what now? 3. 3 into 3 into 3, that means 27. Okay, now we are getting sum has to be 27. Okay, so what we will do, we will just update the sum for now. Sum is now 27. Just keep it in mind. Okay, third step, we will just divide the number by 10, because why? We have 153, we got this digit 3. Now we need what? 5 and 1. So we will divide this 153 by 10. We will get 15. So we will have this section. We don't need 3 anymore. So that's why we are just dividing n by 10. Okay. So let's just do the dry run. So first step I explained already. First step will get d value as 3, sum has to be 27, and next is n equal to n by 10. That means we are getting 15 here. Now 15 is greater than 0. Yes, it is greater than 0. D is equal to 15 mod 10. That means we are getting 5. Now 5. Now sum value was previously in the first iteration we got 27. If you remember, 0 plus 3 into 3 into 3. Now this 27 will get added up with 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125, right? 125 plus 27, that will give you 152. So now sum value is 152. It's getting updated. First it was first step it was 0. Now it is 152. Again we'll divide 15 by 10. The value of n will be now 15 by 10, that is 1. The value of n is now 1. Now 1 is greater than 0. Yes, 1 is greater than 0. D is equal to 1 mod 10, that is 1 we will get now. Okay, sum value will be, sum was initially 152. So now what we will get? Sorry, 152 plus 1 into 1 into 1, that means 1. So we got 153. We have already achieved our success. You can see we got sum as 153. Now n is equal to n by 10. That means what was n? N was 1, right? 1 by 10 will give you 0. Now value of n is 0. We'll go to the next iteration. 0 is greater than 0, false, it will not enter into the loop. So the loop is over. Okay, so we got the sum value finally as 153. Now we will do what? Let's see. Now, if you remember, we stored the number taken from the user in a temporary variable. That's why we do, because now the value at the last iteration we got what? The value of n has to be 0. So you can see the actual number got lost here. So that's why we separately stored the variable in temp. Now we will check the sum we got at last is 153. If you remember, is inside the loop. If you forgot, just rewind the video and check it out. We got sum has to be 153. We will check if sum is equal to temp. That means we got again back the number. So like this, the sum was basically what? 1 plus 125 plus 27. This is equal to 153. Is this sum is equal to temp? That temp was also 153, the initial number. If it is so, then we can print that yes, the number is an Armstrong number, and you are done. So this was all about the Armstrong number I discussed. In the next video tutorial, I'll discuss the coding section, light coding section in C++. Stay tuned for that video, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, if you learned something new. Okay, thank you so much. Stay safe.